Good morning, gorgeous. Well, today I thought it'd be fun to do a super casual get ready with me as I get ready to go to lunch with some of my dearest friends. So in case you're interested, then keep on watching. So yeah, I thought it'd be super fun and casual. I don't have my background up. I thought I'd bring back the twinkly lights and show you my messy office again. Pardon the background. And if a cat wanders by, just pay no mind to it. So today I'm going to lunch with some of my dearest friends. When I say dear, I mean dear. We grew up together. We've known each other since we were about 6 years old, and our fathers used to work together. So I thought it'd be fun to just hang out, grab your coffee, in my case, iced coffee because it's so hot here in Tennessee, and let's just get ready. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. And all the products that I'm using on my face will be listed down below in the links. We celebrated the 4th of July, actually early, yesterday, and we had such a fantastic time. We had a cookout with some friends, and my husband Matt, he was the fireworks master. He bought a bunch of fireworks and we were very safe. He watered down the front lawn. We made sure everything was in place so no accidents would happen. Just a fantastic day of good friends, fireworks, good food. Oh my gosh. And there's a cat here. But yes, I'm gonna be meeting up with my friends that I haven't seen since my birthday, which was in March. And they actually did like a surprise thing for me. They're so wonderful. Do you have a group of friends like that where you've just known each other forever? And even if you don't see each other on a regular day basis or even talk on a regular day basis, you can just pick up exactly where you left off. That's exactly how my friends are. And growing up together, we celebrated our landmark birthdays like 16 and 18, 21, 25, and 50. Amy and Liza are fantastic. I call them my sisters. And going to lunch with the ladies is just a great excuse to get dressed up and eat some good food and hang out and have maybe a cocktail or two. Right? I love getting dressed up. I rarely wear dresses. I mean, this dress is so cute. I got it at Target for $12.50, but I also have a new bag. I have recently started getting into bags, and when Teddy Blake reached out to me, I was like, oh my gosh, I have never heard of this bag company. But when I looked them up, I couldn't believe how beautiful their bags were. Are you into bags? I just recently started getting into bags and, accessories. I'm more of a makeup girl. They asked me to pick out a bag and I was like, are you kidding me? These were so beautiful. I could not believe it. And when I went to their website, I had the most difficult time trying to select one. Teddy Blake creates handbag designs for every style choice. Now, if you don't see a bag that you like, which I doubt because I had the most difficult time trying to pick one out, you can subscribe to their website and they release new collections every month. You guys, they're gonna start doing shoes too. And I saw a sneak peek at their shoes and I was like, oh my God. They're actually made from luxurious leather from Italy's finest, dyed and treated to withstand the test of time and maintain a luxurious look. What's so cool about Teddy Blake, they offer these designer handbags with all the key characteristics of any high and luxury houses, and they remove that $2,000, those labels, you know what I'm talking about, that extra $2,000 added to the handbag cost just for the label. You guys, when I picked out my purse, it's called the Gigi Stampetto. I knew instantly that was mine. I was like, this is so beautiful. And when it was delivered to me, I could not believe how luxurious the smell of the Italian leather. It's leather, let me tell you, it's leather. And the suede on the inside just really impressed me. I've never owned anything as luxurious as this, and I'm super excited to take this to lunch and show it off. But I'll give you some more information on the bag at the end of the video in case you're interested. Now I'm just going to go in with the Sun-Kissed bronzer from Charlotte Tilbury. I've been really enjoying this 16-hour wear sweat-proof cream bronzer. It just applies beautifully on the complexion. That just adds that natural kiss of sun. Super excited to hang out with my friends. Do you have friends like that you hang out with? Don't even pick up the phone for months, sometimes even a year or so. I know that's horrible. You should keep up with your friends, but they're right there with you every step of the way. They support you. They commiserate with you. I'm just so grateful to have friends like Amy and Liza. Back in 1985, yes, 1985, when my friend and I turned 18 years old and we were getting ready for the prom, my mom and her mom took us to Atlanta to purchase our prom dresses. We thought we were so cool because we were gonna go out of town to purchase our prom dresses. And back then, the designer of the day of the year of 1985 was Gunny Sacks. Do you remember Gunny Sacks? Anyway, we bought our prom dresses, and I remember thinking, wow, this is such a great prom dress. I think it was $200 back in 1985. Super expensive back then. And when we showed up to the prom, another girl was wearing my dress. But I thought that was so funny because we thought we were so cool getting those Gunny Sacks dresses, talking about birthdays. I know, 18th birthday, prom dress. Our 21st birthday, oh my gosh, I should give you the G-rated version. I was living in Florida at the time, and she came to visit me, and that's when we became legal to drink. And let's just say we just had the best time in Florida. I have lived in Florida for many years. I was a dancer in a company called Ballet Florida. I also was in a ballet company called Northwest Florida Ballet. One of these days I hope to move back to Florida. I just love the beach and the sun and the warm weather. Celebrating our 21st birthday, of course, we were super excited to finally, be able to go out and go dancing because we both love to go dancing. And back in the day, we loved, oh my gosh, just brings back so many fond memories. I'm just going in with the NARS Summer Unrated Eyeshadow Palette. This is such a beautiful palette to create quick and easy looks. Love the pops of color. I think I'm gonna go in with a pinky shade today. Then we celebrated our 40th birthday together, but then when I turned 50, because she's born 5 days after me, and I always considered her my sister, but when we celebrated my 50th birthday, we had an amazing time. Amy was there. It was just such a wonderful family reunion. You know what I mean? It's like, I guess when you turn 50, everybody wants to make sure you're still alive and kicking. Was that bad? Did I say that out loud? But yeah, we make sure we celebrate those landmark birthdays. I guess our next one is what, 60? Oh, hey, I'm ready for 60. Bring it on. This is a special week for me because when I'm releasing this video, it'll be my parents' 71st wedding anniversary as well. I guess this whole video is about family and friendship, two things that are very important to me. My father did pass away several years ago, but my parents were married for 63 years until his passing. And those are goals, man. I mean, are you serious? I'm gonna go in with this peachy shade up through here. Isn't that pretty? I'm just gonna tap it all over the lid. Just wanna create a really easy, simple summer look. I did my summer favorites video, and this was my second favorite eyeshadow palette because it is the Summer Unrated Eyeshadow Palette. It's just beautiful. It's super easy to work with. The formula is just outstanding. It's user friendly, and I just love the whole color story, but it just makes creating a look super easy. But yeah, this is the NARS Summer Unrated Eyeshadow Palette. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the eyes, and I'll be right back. I just went ahead and applied the Maybelline Hyper Easy liquid eyeliner pen on the top of my eyelash band. You guys, one of you asked me what is the best liquid eyeliner that's great for sensitive eyes, that's not gonna budge and but still gentle on your eyes. So easy to use. It's fantastic. It's drugstore. It's affordable. Yada yada yada. But anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some mascara real quick. I'm going in with the COVERGIRL Simply Ageless Lash Plumping Mascara. It contains 3 types of serums that's going to nourish your eyelashes, and at the end of the day, it's super easy to take off. It doesn't leave your eyelashes brittle, and it just beautifully lengthens your lashes without clumping, without smudging. Definitely holds a curl. Mascara's on, looking pretty good. I went ahead and just brushed the e.l.f. Wow Brow through my sparse eyebrows. This is a great formula. I like doing this just to keep them in place. It's not too thick. I think I'm in the shade Brunette. Adds a little bit of thickness without making them look, overly done. And I think it retails for like $5, but this is a fantastic brow product. Speaking of e.l.f., I went ahead and purchased the brand new matte No Budge shadow sticks, and I can't wait to share those with you. But yeah, you guys were saying in my last video in the comment section that you wanted me to test them out, so I ordered them and I can't wait to share that with you. Go ahead and set my under eye area. If you're not a loose setting powder kind of gal and you want something that's not messy, you know how you have to open it up, tap it out. This one is super convenient. It's really beautiful. I was using this non-stop and for good reason because it's so good, but I've started branching out into loose setting powders and really been enjoying that. But this, if you're, like I said, if you're not a loose powder girl and you want something that's compact, easy, this is such a fantastic formula. And I'm in the shade Feathery. Since I have my Luminous Putty Blush on, I feel like you don't need any sort of highlighter, but just for the inner corner of the eye, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Kylie, I know, I didn't wanna like this at all. This is the Kylighter Pressed Illuminating Powder. I'm in the shade Ice Me Out. I think it's a beautiful champagne highlighter, and I'm just gonna take a little bit on my Sigma inner corner brush, and I'm just gonna pop it into, not even my inner corner, it's almost right to my tear duct, and just tap a little bit in to brighten up that inner eye area so I look a little more wide awake. I do have to say, last night we celebrated the 4th of July and kind of stayed up way past my bedtime. So if I'm looking a little tired, that's why. But a little highlighter in the inner corner is going to brighten up that area, make me look more wide awake, and just pop a little bit under the eyebrow just so I can get that extra lift. Honey, I need everything I need today. Oh my gosh, I tried this out yesterday. I know I'm obsessed with the L'Oreal Glow Paradise Balm and Lipstick in combination with their Balm and Gloss. Wait till you see this combination. And I'm in the shade Ecstatic Mulberry. Ooh, super hydrating. It contains hyaluronic acid as well as pomegranate extract. Beautiful punchy color. Now, to top it off, I know it's already shiny and glossy and beautiful, but when I layered it with the Balm and Gloss in Mademoiselle Mauve, oh my goodness, it had such great longevity. Double the glossiness, double the shine. Yesterday, I wore this at the cookout. I know, right? And it lasted all day long. We are looking pretty good. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna finish up with my hair and I'll be right back. Ooh, my hair's a little big. I think I'm trying to channel the 80s. So yeah, I'm getting hungry. Coffee ain't gonna cut it today. Hair is done. I think we look good here. I think I'm trying to channel Alexis Carrington. I don't know. What do you think? It could be a thing. Now I'm going to go ahead and set my face with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. It's a little pricey, but I like the mini size because it's $20 and it's actually been lasting me all summer. So, and it smells like a spa. It just smells so divine, but this is great. Everything's locked in place. It's going to leave you that dewy, fresh look. It's going to lock in your makeup all day long. So I think I'm ready for lunch. What do you think? I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me today. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. I really had fun talking about my friends and my family. I hope you have an amazing week, and yeah, just thank you. And again, thank you so much to Teddy Blake to sending me that luxurious Italian leather handbag. I'm not a bougie girl, but I definitely feel bougie carrying around that exquisite, beautiful Italian crafted bag. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I would love it if you would be a part of our family. And in case you want to hang out a little bit longer and check out some foundation reviews, check out the playlist down here. And for skincare reviews, check out the playlist right over there. But for now, mahal kita, I love you, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.